From Sergio T. Pania, the Regional President. Re, Don Belong Fan, alay ko sa banal na simbahang Pilipino. Dear brothers and sisters in Christ, as we continue to navigate the challenges of our time, the Regional Layman Executive Council of Visayas Region launches the Don Belong Fund, a fundraising initiative to support our parishes in the 11 dioceses of Visayas who have been severely affected by recent typhoons and disasters. The destruction caused by these calamities has left many church structures in ruins, disrupting the spiritual and community life of our people. In response, we are calling on your generosity to help rebuild and restore these sacred spaces. Your contribution to the Don Belong Fund will be tangible expression of our shared commitment to the well-being of our communities and the proclamation of the gospel. We humbly ask for your financial support to help us respond to these urgent needs of our affected dioceses. Your donation will go directly towards A. Rebuilding or repairing damaged church structures. Second, providing support to affected communities. Third, strengthening the resilience of our churches in the face of disasters. Every gift, big or small, counts. We believe that together we can make a difference in the lives of our brothers and sisters in Visayas. May we stand in solidarity with those affected, and may our collective efforts bring hope and healing to those in need. Together we can rebuild and restore. Thank you for your kindness, generosity, and support. May God bless you abundantly. Sincerely, Sergio T. Pania, Regional President.
Okay, thank you, Deputy Secretary. May I also request the Deputy Secretary to please read the certification assigned by the Right Reverend Arlie Balili of the Diocese of the Diocesan Bishop of the Diocese of Padre Burgos.
Iglesia Filipina Independiente Diocese of Padre Burgos, Office of the Diocesan Bishop, Cathedral of St. James the Apostle, Santa Sofia, Padre Burgos, Southern Leyte. Certification. To whom it may concern. This is to certify that the Mission Church located in Quinachawa, San Ricardo, Southern Leyte, suffered severely damage and destruction as a result of Super Typhoon Odette, which struck the region in December 2021. Furthermore, this is to certify that the congregation in Quinachawa has been in need of financial assistance for the reconstruction of the said church building. Due to safety concerns, the site of the church has been relocated to a more secure location, where rebuilding efforts are intended to commence as soon as sufficient support is available. This certification is issued upon the request of the Diocesan Leafy Sector to support any appeal, application, or other purpose it may serve in the interest of the affected